Hi, this is Corey Chambers, and thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some great features of this property, and if you'd like, we'll gladly send you a property information packet of this home or arrange for a private preview upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, then you should know that I'll guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 760-645-6888 now. What a great location. This mid-century house is nestled across from the hillside in South Palm Springs, Araby Cove. With a private front view of the nature near Rimcrest, Southridge Gate of Araby Trail, the elevated lot offers views across the endless valley below all the way to the windmills. You would not believe the view of the city lights at night. A 1,000-square-foot single-family home with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. The floor plan provides views outside from the living room and privacy for the bedrooms. The front yard with carport and desert landscaping. The backyard has covered patio and dipping pool. The former home of Palm Springs art maven Peggy Vermeer, this property has artistic touches from the street-side animal sculpture mailbox to the fountain and statue-adorned backyard. It's a 9,000-square-foot lot of fee land, which means you own the land. The home is vacant and ready for immediate move-in. Call my office at 760-645-6888. As I mentioned, a property information packet of this home or a private preview is available upon request. And remember, if you have a home to sell, I can guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me now at 760-645-6888. Thanks for listening in.